Hi, my name's Jim Drennen, and what you see in front of you is a screen that I want you to just stop this video and read through it and see what I'm going to do, because once we go, I'm going to go straight through these issues, and that way it'll give us more time rather than going back to this each time to try to reference it. So go ahead and stop it now and see what we're going to do, read through it, and then we're going to have some fun with this gate here and a messed up vocal that I did. Okay. Alright, here we go. So here's the vocal. Alright, and over here you notice there's some clicks, which I did not want to have in there. And I'm going to show you the clicks right here. Click, click, click. And first thing I'm going to do is show you how to get, this is Pro Tools 7, I'm going to show you how to get to this gate right here. Window, we're going to edit. Okay, here's my window. I go over to this channel here which says voice on it. Okay, you see it says voice. This is the voice channel. And I go up here to the top here where there's a thing that you can add your inserts, plugins. I go over here. I know it's a dynamic one. And so I go down here to gate and I click it and there it is. Okay, so now we see our gate. And the different things, we're going to show you first what it does, so then I can go back through and show you all these different aspects of it. Alright, I'm going to have you listen to it with a gate in bypass, where you'll hear this click, click, click that got through, okay? So take a listen to this right quick. There's the click. And I start singing. Alright? So now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to put the filter in, and you're going to hear a big difference in this. Alright, it's going to cut that right off. Sitting on the porch on a lazy afternoon. Alright, and there's the vocal. Now, same thing at the end over here. Where is it here? You're going to see right here there's some clicks. We're going to try to go right here. We're going to do it without the bypass. Take a listen to it. I'd like to go and see it from there. You hear the little click tock, tick tock. Okay, so we're going to go back, put this in, and let it do its thing, and then we're going to start back here again, and you'll hear it, and it'll end up clean. See it from there. You hear nothing at the end. Okay, now I could have clipped those off, but I really couldn't because they were underneath the right next to the guitar. Now, if I change any of these parameters that I have right now, it's not going to work. Let's say, and I want you to watch this over here because this window gives you your visual of where your threshold is at and how wide your attack. So I'm going to go threshold first. I'm going to show you. I was at 20. I'm going to take it on through, and the maximum is going to be a straight line through, which nothing's going to happen, okay, at that. It's not going to do anything. If I take it back over here too far, you're going to hear that when I play this track, you're going to hear my voice get clipped on and clipped off. Okay? I'd like to go but take it from I'd like to bop, 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 okay? So that's what happens there. So, here you have the threshold, which is the amount that you have to set it so that it will activate and do what it's supposed to do. The attack, I have a very fast attack because I want this to cut it right off. I don't want anything sliding in. If you had a slower attack, it might slide that click in, click a little bit depending on what the threshold is, if it's too low. I keep that low. Hold is about 50 or less. It goes down to 10 and all the way up to 4 seconds. Okay, I don't want that kind of a deal. Decay, okay, I have a little bit of decay, give it a little naturalness. And then your range, 80 dB cut, okay. If I keep going up here, you see it makes this go right back to where this was again, and it's not doing anything. It's zero, you're not doing anything. Even if you kick this thing in really hard in either way here, it's not going to do anything. And this has something to do with compression, the way you may want to use it. But you see it shows up here how much the reduction is. This is your reduction up here. Okay, I've got it set to factory default, which is fine for what I'm using. It'll work as a bypass, which I could also do. Set this thing really close to it and then bypass it. Oop, I'm over 5 minutes. Alright, well there's my explanation of my gate, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that information in the beginning helped you. Enjoy the course. Talk to you later. Bye.